so we are now getting ready to head to Boerne, stopping in San Marcos to pick up my friend Steven, who helped me work on the 7 Series transmission. We're gonna drive from San Marcos to New Braunfels, and then between there and Canyon Lake, there's some awesome roads we're gonna try to hit, and then from Canyon Lake to Boerne. So overall, about an hour and a half of driving, 256 miles in the gas tank, 180-ish round trip. So I think we'll be fine there. But more importantly, this is the first long road trip I'll be taking in this car. I've only put about 350 miles, and this whole trip's 180, and that's straight. Now, I've driven this car for a couple hours at a time, but they were pretty short trips, and so I have no doubt this car will make it, knock on wood. So to give me the best chance possible, I brought all my spare fluids and whatnot. But with that, it's time to hit the road and enjoy what this V8 has to offer. With me today is Steven, master technician. Guys, if you want anything done to your BMW, come to this guy.
Please don't. Please leave me alone.
Well, I found out you had this car because we caught up at a Cars and Coffee, and I was telling you I got an E39, but this is way better than anything BMW offered. So tell us a little bit about it. I don't know. I mean, a lot of people swap these engines out because, you know, 540s, the M60s, M62s, they're pretty shit. So tell us a little bit about the story on this car and kind of what you've done to it.
So it was a 03 530 automatic base, grandma owned. Bought it from grandma, and I drove it for a couple months. It was fine, and then the water pump broke. And instead of fixing it, I decided, well, I'll just put an LS in it. So bought a Camaro for it, a 2010 SS. Stick, and just took the whole drivetrain.
Yeah. And
then just put it right in, and it fits well. It's fine. We ended up doing a full rebuild on the engine. It's at a cracked cylinder. Sucks.
And are those, remind me, the blocks on those, was that because we were talking about this, that's the aluminum block, not the iron block.
So it's a aluminum LS3. All the LS3s are aluminum with iron sleeves, and cylinder 5 was cracked, which I think is moderately common. So we got a sleeve, overboard, new pistons, full rebuild of cam, headers to swap, all that stuff. And then it fit right in. There's really nothing in the way of this one. The chassis is big enough. It takes V8s that are big enough.
Right. It's smaller than the 6-cylinder because it's wider,
shorter,
but it's shorter.
It's shorter than the 6, but thinner than our V8 because the heads are tiny. It's got tiny heads. But it makes more than anything BMW put in this car.
Right.
More torque than anything. And it's fun. It's too fun. It's too much sometimes, but it's fine.
It's loud.
The chassis handles it better than like a 3 Series. A lot of people like the E36, E46s. But this chassis takes it better because it's just built for more power.
Right.
But yeah.
And you've mentioned, a few things down the pipeline. It's the bigger diff. You didn't say you were going to supercharge it, but you want to supercharge it.
I would love to eventually, but I don't know how long that'll take. It's still on the factory 6-cylinder diff, which is a medium case. So all the E36 guys love those. It's really just too small for this weight though. It needs I think I'm going to try and squeeze an E60 M5 diff in it. I don't like the E39 M5 ratios. It's too long, and this already has really long.
Yeah, that thing's stupid long.
Yeah. And so the E60 is shorter, it should be better, and then it should be indestructible. I had to make the exhaust from scratch twice. The first time was just to get it on the road. It was way too loud. And then I went back and remade it, and it's a little bit better now. It's still loud, but not unbearable. But no, other than that, it's stock manifold. Yeah. There's little things, just typical E39 stuff, like the seat, the passenger seat.
Starting
to twist. Cables and stuff. Just cable fix them.
You ever watch Whoa! He has all those shiny bits under there.
Yeah, it is too.
Whoa! He's got one of those big shiny things with a lot of tubes and curly coils coming out of it.
Let's go back and redo a bunch of stuff.
Yo, is that a supercharger, bro?
It kind of is.
What is it? I don't want...
It's a pre-charge pump for the brakes.
Oh.
So it
Supercharged brakes, bro?
Supercharges the brakes, kind of. If the ABS works.
Whoa, did you do something with the valve covers?
Yeah, I had the valve covers and the timing cover powder coated because I had downtime.
Hell yeah. What color is that?
It's like a sparkly blue.
Okay, it kind of looks like my Imperial blue on my 4 Series.
Yeah, it does.
He even got the air filter, bro.
Yeah.
Can.
And then I realized I'll never see him. So the timing cover's the same color, but you can't see it. So I don't know why I did it.
And I don't know how much power this puts out because I forgot how much you told me. But what do you think they did from the factory?
Oh, from the factory? I think it was like 400 from the factory. It should be in the mid 4s, somewhere in there. It's never been dynoed. It's not optimized or anything. It's just safe. It's fine.
It's not optimal. Damn, that's pretty. Well, I think other than that, it's time for a cold start and get out of here. Actually, not bad. Now stopping at Buc-ee's. Went deaf a little bit in one ear following Steven, but maybe I'll stay in front of him this time. It's not gonna get any better. Getting some gas. What do you think you get MPG wise on that?
Stay out of it on the highway. Low 20s.
Low 20s? What do you
do?
Yeah.
So like 12.
I don't know what the exact MPG is on this because when I got it, the wheel speed sensor didn't work, so it didn't match and I never reset it. So I'm sitting at 12.8. But my Fuelie app says that I sit around like 22-ish. And then city, it's like 14. Let me plug in, I need to plug in the route. We're taking, what's it called, River Road? Okay, I need to check my front tire. I think the valve stem's leaking, so I need to check the pressure on that. So I'm gonna check that and we'll hit you on the road. Red too often. Ooh. Yeah, auto. It looked like. doing here?